Nekati fe twabikyusamuko, I don't know where it came from.
Breakfast. Sawanya.
Mid-morning snack. Lunch.
Chino kulya by musango munana.
Era ne bw'ogiria ku saa 10 n'ogiyita late lunch. All that English.
I know.
Yeah, but there are some basic principles we really need to learn about ourselves. Okay? Sometimes we are not even sick. The brain is trying to do something when it touches some bubi, and you do another thing. Okay? For example, omwana bwaba mulwadde, you know, even you yourself, when you are unwell, what are the first signs and symptoms?
But it depends. Like if I'm going to have fever or lose a little bit of or go with a imperial some point. I'm not feeling okay. What all this way for a headache, that means sometimes bang enough for either fever or flu. When a headache carton
But have you also lost appetite?
Yeah, the moments when you don't train appetite.
N'abaana emmosa mwana talina appetite alabika mulwadde. That is biological intelligence, if I put it. The body is saying, don't give me food. I am unwell. Like, give me opportunity to sort my issues. That's why we lose appetite when we are unwell, because the body is pushing. The brain is saying, don't give food.
Don't give food.
Like, give me a moment to. Nefe tukola tutya. Nenyendo jikwata ebintu n'okola. No bikakayo. The brain still overrides ne musesemya. Be musesemya African mothers n'okuba muko kumpi no byongera.
No gamba.
Of course I know there is where we need to feed. Okay? There is when it is non-negotiable. Nadala abayenyo, okay? Nga yetaaga okuyambibwako. Then sometimes this initial loss of appetite. Let's learn the language of the body. And for us, we teach it. I teach it. Okay? You even need to know the connection between the body, the mind, and
wano kumulangira interiors ebyo betukola furniture webbe furniture wa class kwayagala enyumba ebere furnished enyume bulungi nnyo tukwe ku magezi ga interior designing enyumba yeveyo bulungi obere ne space eri majestic eri magnificent at affordable prices tukirire
Mulangira Interiors.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without a nipple? But without a nipple.
Newton, watugamira ko tebeerabira. Obadde bagambye. Tebeerabira ne bagira volume. All right. Hi, lovelies. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dorina Sasira, and the show is called Love Life. So I want to thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. Byonna feedback to jiraba namwe abasalamu obuntu TikTok mwebale. So sagala barisayo as usual. I have a lovely lady for the first time on my channel. Era bwe bangambye byakola nengamba lino muleta munange. Atubuzeeko tuyigirize it's a new year tulina keeping her healthy omanyi omwaka guba gutandika buli baba ina resolutions nze kati every year whether resolution ya for example being healthy naye rusibigana like lifestyle again negana mwaka but so I love her approach towards health agena kuba abanyonyola what exactly she does and you know yatulabe so now osobola okuyiga tomanya sobola mweyungako because at the end of the day obulamu bwe bugagga ne bwokola otya ne waba ina sente zenkana waba toli mulamu tebigenda kola so sagala barisayo doctor welcome to our show she's actually a doctor.
Thank you.
Privileged to have you on the show today.
Thank you, Doreen. I'm also honored to be on this important. Actually, seeing you physically for the first time.
Right. Actually, I checked out your channel. For you page. And you've been there and active. Now at least I've followed you. So normally tomanyi otunamalira wano nga balaba following nze. Ajja bagamba handle yo. Kati muna kugenda kweyanjulira abantu and what you do exactly. Nekye tugenda okuyiga olwaleero ku show.
Thank you. So Dr. Agnes Barbara Kovsinje.
Okay.
Founder of Dr. A Center for Medical and Lifestyle Restoration. Nebo kwataka ka Dr. A kokakama.
Chimana ngeno okugamba nti ngo ntute speed Dr. A
Even in the fraternity mubasawo bogamba Dr. A, they know who we are talking about.
Oh, Dr. A.
Yes.
Okay. Njagadde cha restoration, health restoration.
Health restoration.
I love that.
Kati mumanyidde nnyo ndi musawo mutendeke by the Barra University. And I've been in practice for 24 years.
Wow.
Okay. Kati wano in specializing tumanyidde abasawo abaspecializinga mu birwadde.
Yes.
Ndwadde za mutima, ndwadde za kino, ndwadde za kiti. Kati nze na specializinga mu ggwe. In the person.
The person.
Body, mind, and inner life. Purpose.
Body, mind, and purpose. Okay.
Religion ejita soul.
Soul.
Okay. Kunze when kulaba, you are like a three-legged stool. One leg is body, one is mind, one is soul.
Okay.
We can't treat one leg and ignore the others. Stool yaffe ebekola ki?
Okay.
Ebate balance. So the easiest way I can say it, bofuna ebirwadde naddala bino ebirwadde byaffe ebyekikulu.
Yeah.
Diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, fatty liver, listing mpanvu, gout, stress, byonna.
Anxiety.
Tukitwale nti your body is like a village.
My body is like a village.
And your village has caught fire. Ekirwadde ekyo is fire.
Okay.
So sometimes we can see the fire. High blood pressure, high sugar. Now sometimes we are seeing smoke. And we need to look for where the fire is. Then in our lifestyles, oluusi we are the ones who are pouring fuel in the smoke. And we are lighting our own fires. Okay? Things like our poor sleep, our eating sweet things in the night. Twina habits is a physical action.
Yes.
So usually in hospital, the effort is to put out the fire, which is very important.
Yeah.
I also help people to put out the fire. But I go a step further. I will assess you to see where was burnt so that we can repair there. Okay? And once we've repaired, we then sit properly now for restoration and ask ourselves the question. In the first place, who brought the fire? Where did the fire come from? Who brought it? Who paid boda? Ani aguwujja, ani aguyambako? We need to understand the hazard.
Yeah.
And where we can, we need to stop the hazard. Then I also sit with you on this other side and ask, naye gwe tolina balwanyisa muliro ku kyalo kyo nti buli anaakuma nga gukola ki? Don't you have fire break? Like, how is your person on your side?
Yeah.
Okay? Because we need to rebuild you in a stronger way so that fires don't just catch on your village. So in brief, for all these diseases, I go for the root causes.
So if it's pressure, we want to know what exactly, where did it start from?
Actually, nze bw'ojja diagnosis bw'oti. Bangambye high blood pressure, bangambye nina sukali. Much as g'olaba diagnosis n'empeke ze bakuwandiika. Nze nkimanyi nti behind that diagnosis is a very complicated series of things by'ozooyitamu. From stress, eating poorly, social media messages ziri buli wamu wagezezzaako kino oyina byotya, like there is a lot ebitutuusizaawa one. So ne bwe nnakuwa empeke nga sikuyambye kutaggulula bino
tebigenda kukola,
then olubeerera olisigala ku mpeke
mpaka kati kambuze what if ekirwadde kiri genetic, nakyo we can oba
genetic
root cause ya mala bagamu ntino fe diabetes ali mu family
sukali
ali mu family hypertension mu family abo bakola otya
ebimu ku byenkola I teach.
Okay.
I teach. It's my responsibility to help you understand. They will tell you what diseases do to you. I will teach you the power you have over diseases. Katusoke tuwulirize kya genetics.
Genetics.
Diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol are not inherited. They are not genetic diseases.
Really? But they keep telling us jaja wange ayina diabetes.
Nkyakujjira. So bw'oba olina diabetes, kitegeeza sukaali yalemererwa okuva mu musaayi okuyingira gy'alina okugenda mu mubiri to generate energy.
Okay.
Diabetes is a disease of a drainage system. Drainage system ya sukaali. Bweyonooneka sukaali n'alemererwa okuva mu musaayi okudde. Kati nze bwe nkupima n'ensanga nti you have a high blood sugar. Okay? So ebanga, I think a sink is the best example. Sink yazibikidde sukaali takyakola ki takyagenda. So ekirwadde diabetes si kyansikirano. Ekintu kyetu what is genetic is that mu lulyo lwammwe in your bloodline, your kind of sink zammwe zizibikira mangu.
Nyinga yagala okutegeera.
Oba okitegeera?
Njagala kutegeera kati.
Ekiriwo ekitambula mu genetics is that sink zammwe zizibikira mangu. Naye tekitegeeza nti tuzireke zizibikire. Okay? Era normally when I find one person in a family with diabetes, kitegeeza genetic line eyo is at a higher risk of diabetes than another. So when nakuyamba okuzibukula eyo, I must teach you and your family how to look after that sink or your sinks zireme kola ki kuzibikira.
Okay.
You don't just put in any food. Once in a while oyiwayoko ku mazzi agokya kubanga mukimanyi ndizo zangu okukola ki okuzibikira. I don't know that.
I'm trying to make sense. Yeah, it's making sense now.
Luganda band ekyaliko.
I know.
But you're getting it. So
yeah,
what we inherit is the risk. But having a high risk predisposition doesn't mean we should get the disease condition. Instead, we should use that information to live a more responsible, a more careful lifestyle.
Yeah.
Knowing we are at a higher risk for certain things.
So that means you take it. That's why, because I in bed and like different people saying, ngabi conflicting. Diabetes can be reversed. It cannot be reversed. They are lying. Other herbs can make you reverse. Other they can't. Other type 1 is more dangerous.
Reversing. Is an English word. It is so. I'm facing right, then I face
left.
Something like that. Now, if I maintain the whole example of a sink, it is true. Diabetes can be, in brackets, reversed. In medical language, we say we can be sent into remission.
Oh, remission.
Sink bweba yali ezibikiddeko. Mire eddagala are alternative sinks as we work on your sink. Bweba ezibukuse, your life cannot go on the same. So diabetes we can recover, you can go into remission.
Yeah.
But it's not like malaria that you swallow 5 tablets and you're okay.
Yeah.
Diabetes changes your lifestyle because you now need to live a lifestyle knowing I have a kind of sink that clogs easily. Sink ezibikira ama. Ate abamu ne bwe tugizibukula tegenda kutambuza mazzi speed. Era osigala weegerera how much sugar is going in, monitoring kino ne kino. It influences your lifestyle.
So something I've remembered. Some people out there, by the way, you are what you eat. That's number one. There are moments when you don't even need like the choina to wait na dagala or in the beginning. it's just, you're supposed to be eating a particular type of food probably, or maybe plant-based stuff. Or what diet? I don't know if that's right, plant-based diet. Kale nga bagamba nti osobola kufuna eddagala mu bino ebintu bye tulya nga tomeze makerenda. Nenga okay, maybe
not. Lwaki onoonya okulya eddagala? For me the correct question is, osobola okubeerawo nga tolwadde? It is possible. Naddala what we call non-communicable diseases. Zino ezaffe ez'ekikulu. Tewali kawuka kakuyingidde. It's just that mu nneeyisaayo mulimu ebintu by'okola ebikyusiza omubiri gwo ne gukufuukiramu ekizibu. You get that?
Yes, I get it.
So ekyo kyennyini kye wakola okufuna ekizibu ekyo bwe tukitaggulula with other things, then we can reverse these conditions. Okay? But even what I call reversing, to me it's sending into remission. Because bwe weegayaalirira kijja kudda. You get it? So you need to be educated. Naye information eri ebweru eyo yo nnyingi nnyo. And that is why I've put up a center. The Dr. A Center for Medical and Lifestyle Restoration.
Okay.
I do 3 main things. I teach you. You need to know how your body works.
Okay.
The language of the body. You need to understand how your body functions. You need to know when your body is talking to you that it is not well. Okay? The language is like, you need to know when you're losing balance.
It sends signals.
It talks.
Yeah, it does. Okay? It does.
You also need to know, when do I need to go to hospital quickly? Mind you, tugenda nnyo mu hospital nga tuli very late. Okay? Naye nze ne bw'ogenda mu hospital emergency ebaddewo, hospital will stabilize you. Era nina okutuula naawe n'enkubuuza naye twesanze tutya mu mbeera. There are many people babaddusa mu ddwaliro naddala ekiro nga biwala ttaka. Ambulance olutuuka mu ddwaliro ntuteekako drip yafuba ne tuteekako drip. Sometimes drip eyo tugiyita dextrose, sukaali mu mazzi. Sometimes saline, omunnyo mu mazzi. And my question is, couldn't you drink that water at home? But you know why? You did not understand the language of your body. So if I can teach you the language of your body, nawe weetaasa n'ogamba naye bino omubiri gwe gukola, kansooke nnyo ku mazzi, kansooke neebake, kansooke nkoleko bwe nti. Nawe n'oguyambako. You need to be an active participant in your own health. Naye kati embeera eriwo, we all think health is in products. Nze okubeera health nina okumira kino mmire kiri ndye. There are some people in the morning for breakfast. Bamuwerako amazzi empeka amira kalinga kasoosi ka binyeebwa. Magnesium glycinate gundi well woman
the supplements.
Si mulwadde naye they are what?
Supplements. Anti you know, ezimu zina to a glow. Endala zina to a thick skins, manya, so that to be a sagging, you know, body. Hey.
Quick fixes. I mean.
Yes.
Quick fixes.
Then anti-wrinkles, no middle supplementing kujako wrinkles. So
at 24 years old.
And then collagen.
At 24 years old, 25. Ngomira anti-aging.
Anti-aging.
Ku myaka 24.
Collagen.
Genda eyo gye mujja information ya collagen. Genda naawe noonya tube gundi information. Collagen bamukola
muki? I know.
Batokosa magumba, mulokoni waffe broth bones. Oyo sopu yennyini nnyini mwemuva
collagen. True.
Kiro ya magumba gano ge bajjeko ennyama ya sausages mu rufla eri ku 10 mmeka? Nga erimu n'obusomyo very rich. Naye bagenda omulala agenda gagula akukolere collagen omukobe ogugule ku mitwalo 8. Naye munnange ebya generation eno mbitegeera kitono ffe tuli ba generation eri enkadde. But my main message is health is built in our small daily habits. Obuzibu bwe tulina is okugezaako okufixinga system gye tutamanyi na kyerwadde. Twina abantu bangi, I like analogies. Nga yewe plumbing system ye yayonoonese.
Yeah.
Naye buli lwaleeta fundi aleeta w'amasannyalaze. If you get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand.
Wanga bagambye gundi atereza bulungi ennyumba nga naawe oleeta a supplement. Tomanyi oba ogyetaaga.
Right.
You know? But you're going with a trend. Everyone is following this. The question is, do you need it? Okay.
And they're very expensive, actually.
Then the other thing also is, if you ordered bread to be given to you, no, wagoda renzeno gamba bagukutere in a certain cupboard. Oja kuja, ogujeo. That's what I mean by supplementation. Omize, so that it is somewhere, when the body needs it, it should be available.
Yeah.
Bw'ojja n'osanga ng'omugaati ogwo teguliiwo. There are two possibilities. Either gwe wagodarinzeeko teyagudelivarinze, oba yagudeliverinze naye waliwo wagutadde, waliwo yakusooseeyo.
N'agutwala.
Some of us are supplementing, feeding our body with supplements. But we are not getting rid of the things that are draining our supplements. When over there, libisi mop. No, you mop kalabagenyi baze keep pace. But look for the leaking tap and close it.
Oh, okay.
I know that you're getting it.
I'm getting the point.
If you have a habit that is draining your nutrients, if it is diet yetali muchino, toja adjusting ofune chirisa chewetaga. But the trend now is a complicated trend. Okay?
Very complicated.
But anyway, that is my agenda. I need to intervene before people fall sick.
Yep.
Okay? I'm encouraging people to have proper assessments. Proper assessment. Tuleke kukola bukozi bintu.
Yeah, yeah.
We have people abamira supplements, by the way. Ngalina what we call in medicine an active infection. Supplement yo ya mitwalo chinana na yo feedinga bacteria. Nezijimuka nezirya gwe. Why? You are, you know, for example, even simple things like folic acid. We try not to give folic acid in active infection. Because you are encouraging the growth of
the bacteria, is it?
Whatever the offending organism.
Okay.
But information out there, it is available, but I think our need for quick fixes, quick answers is what people who are marketing everything are taking advantage of.
And then have you heard of this misconception? I don't know if it's true. About they ask you about your blood group. You have to eat according to your blood group. How true is that? Are you a blood group O? Like me, I'm not supposed to be eating. I hear a lot of meat. Blood group A, you're not supposed to be eating this and this, so you have to follow and eat. Is that really? Do you believe in that?
It's not about what I believe or I don't believe, but for the 24 years of practice, honestly, in my line of medicine, I've not come across that.
And there are doctors who say,
for me, when I blood group typing, it's good for you to know your blood group.
Yeah.
It's good for you to know your blood group and what we call a rhesus factor. One, should you need blood? We need to know, okay? But two, also, for women especially, pregnancy, you need to know. There's especially when we are rhesus negativity, say. But yes, but I'm not a guru in that. And personally, when you come to me, I'm like, look here. I don't believe in it. Okay? I don't believe in it, but science discovers things every day.
Yeah.
I don't have the authority to shut down some, but personally, I don't think so. I want us to go back to the basics of number one, why do we eat food? Energy giving, bodybuilding, and to fight off. God created our bodies with the ability to sort their own problems.
Yeah.
The body feeds, and you should sleep so that the organs can rest and clean themselves. Okay? Like there is a clear cycle that God put in place to enable us heal. The body can heal itself. All it needs is a correct environment. Nakajanja kafe kalekera, we over interrupt the body.
our body system.
Yes, like last meal, okay, but following the guidelines, it was before 8.
Yeah.
But following what you call the natural cycle of food, normally after 6 hours, the marriage day be with them in the blood. So your body, because you're resting, resorts to using stored food
for energy.
The fat. Now, when the body is burning fat, it uses a lot of water. It is natural that you will feel thirsty.
Yeah.
Nekati gwe bwo feeling thirsty ekiro ng'ate onywa soda. Kati bw'oteekayo soda nga burning fat system housekeeping erekerawo. Ng'obwongo bugamba lubuto kibumba muzuukuke batuwadde omulimu.
No.
By the way, I'm saying it lightly, but it is serious.
Very serious,
many of us do not differentiate between hunger and thirst.
Then there's someone who told me, before you even give us the difference, waliwo muntu afuna wrong signal noloza mbone enjala ekuluma just because oyonize kumbe enjala tekuluma. You have to first listen to your body ogambe, but am I really hungry? When you give yourself time, you're not really hungry. Yembo aliwo kulya buli nengamba soko lindoko lubuto lukubande lugaye by the way tuli enjala etuluma.
That is the truth. Ideally, God, we have a brain.
Yeah.
Our brain, primary function, to keep us alive. It looks ahead of us. And it will make sure that we do what? We feel hungry. So hunger is synonymous with the reduced nutrient levels in our body. So akugamba nti linde enjala ekulume mutuufu. Naye kati ffe twabikyusaamuko, I don't know where it came from.
Breakfast. Sawa nnya.
Mid morning snack. Lunch.
Nokulya by 7-8.
Era ne bw'ogirya ku saa 10 n'ogiyita late lunch. All that English.
I know.
Yeah, but there are some basic principles we really need to learn about ourselves. Okay? Sometimes we are not even sick. The brain is trying to do something when it touches bubi, and you do another thing. Okay? For example, omwana bw'aba mulwadde, you know, even you yourself, when you're unwell, what are the first signs and symptoms?
But it depends. Like if I'm going to have fever or lose a little bit of go with a some point. I'm not feeling okay. What always wear for a headache, that means sometimes bang enough for either fever or flu. When a headache
But have you also lost appetite?
Yeah, the moment when you don't train appetite.
N'abaana musayi mwana talina appetite aleka mulwadde. That is biological intelligence, if I put it. The body is saying, don't give me food. I am unwell. Like, give me opportunity to sort my issues. That's why we lose appetite when we are unwell, because the body is pushing. The brain is don't give food.
Don't give food.
Like, give me a moment to. Nefe tukola tutya. Nenyendo jikwata ebintu nokola. No bikakayo. The brain still overrides ne musesemia. Be musesemia African mothers. No kuba muko kumpi. No byongera.
No gamba.
Of course, I know there is where we need to feed. Okay? There is when it is non-negotiable. Nadala abayennyo, okay? Nga yetaaga okuyambibwako. Naye sometimes this initial loss of appetite, let's learn the language of the body. And for us, we teach it. I teach it. Okay? You even need to know the connection between the body, the mind, and the soul. And your own body, that language.
Yeah. Okay?
Togenda kujjanjaba side emu oleke endala. Ne bwe nakuwemba nti sukaali ali nnyo omubiri, diabetes n'omira empekeezi. Naye nga olina ebikusumbwa mu bwongo you're not sleeping, you're not what? Sukaali ajja kuweweeramu katono ate akomewo because you have had things like stress. It was.
Yeah, I've heard about it.
I tell you, stress, where is stress? For another day we shall go into stress. Okay?
The depression, but
just to give you a tip, and I'll be teaching a lot of this. Not at the way group, I'm teaching people, and most of my classes will be, I think, on Saturdays or Sunday. We shall communicate. And one of the topics will be stress. We have two types of stress. We have the good stress, which we call EU stress. EU stress. Then the bad stress, which we call distress. Stress is inevitable.
Yep.
Bobo genda you're ready go genda umanye ko kubugutana ne wetereza. No stress, but it's a good stress. Powers you with energy to what? To do something. But there is a bad stress which stays for long, fueled by fear, by anger.
Yeah, true.
Hormones tusaga bigenda mweze.
Yep.
So stress it's inevitable, it will be there. What makes us sick is when you fail to exit it back to safety. But we'll have sessions around stress and be.
Yeah. Okay. So before we get to wrap up even, I want to find out about the wait a bit. So just a little bit. Does that also fall into that, like otuyamba walo abagamba still ngena kudiramba gamne wait eri family ne bagamba bo okuvedda batono kale ne wamala okuzala ddayo nga mutono waliwo balinga bagamba abo bwe wabe banene wali bagamba nga yo ejjarwa kulya waliwo eri ejjarwa stress what we eat then waliwo alya buli kimu kyalya waliwo bemanya snacking everything tageja. I'm like, why? Me, I've lost weight like 3 times. Kastan relapsing, I'm mama. It triples. My God. So it stresses me.
I mean, I struggle with it as well.
Yeah.
So that lack of that peer pressure.
Yeah.
Right? Not peer pressure. That motivation.
The motivation,
to
I understand. So
but,
that's why I wanted to look for motivation of suppressants, appetite suppressants, because I think in my mind, if I can curb because I just eat for fun.
Kati olunaku lwoli batolina sente kuzigula, what will happen?
Actually, when back my body goal, I don't think I'll be tempted again. In my mind,
but you've lost the weight 3 times.
3 times. And
what happened for it to come back?
Eating.
Anyway, I'll just tell you something about weight loss. One, we are all created differently.
Yeah, true.
There's what we call body types. Okay?
Yeah.
There are many different ways people explain it, but I like to use the somatotypes.
Somatotypes.
We are 3 types of bodies. The ectomorph, endomorph, and the mesomorph. Now, the body type deciding the speed at which you digest food, speed of your metabolism. Okay. For example, the twitaba ectomorph. Babeera batonotono but they find it very difficult to gain weight. Ekyende ekyabwe emmere kigikuba mangu nnyo. Abatanaba na ku absorbing nutrients z'ekyo kye yalidde ng'emmere emisemu. Baze tebagejja. Enjala eyinza n'omukaabya. Bali restless. Snacking. Ate si nti yeekoza. The body is demanding. Simanya oba obamanya.
Nga enjala bw'omuluma tagenda kukola anything.
Asobola n'okukozinga walduwo ng'enjala yamulumya. Those are most times ectomorphs. And I call them fast burners. Their metabolism is very quick. Era bo when I'm looking after them, we have an assessment tool. Bw'ogiyitamu, I'm able to classify you. Ne bwe mba ngenda kusomesa nti we protecting from lifestyle diseases. Our ectomorph, they normally get diseases of hyperactivity. Thyroid, they get mineral deficiencies, they are restless, mental health disorders, they're anxious all the time. The second category are the endomorphs, the opposite now of the ectomorph.
Slow metabolism.
Very slow metabolism. Their bodies are created for survival. They are energy savers. Kyenda kyetegereza buli kimu ne kyoteetaaga essaawa ezo kijja kutereka for NSSF. Titomanya ayinza okukola ki. I'm one of those. I'm an endomorph. I gain very easily. Okay. My metabolism is very slow, but I can even move from morning up to evening nga siridde nga nnera like naye lwendidde gomanya buli kyendidde ekyende ekyange it even keeps for NSSF. Okay?
Interesting.
So people like me are at risk of diseases of storage, obesity, insulin resistance, hyperdiabetes, high cholesterol levels. Kubanga we hoard, we keep.
Yeah.
Okay? Our advantages is ngenjala yagudde Uganda fe tusemba. Kubanga fe mibiri ejaffe we can survive longer. Okay?
Right.
But then the third category tubayita ba mesomo. They are very balanced people.
Okay.
Oye bwoba oyagala omutawaanya distort that balance. Bw'oba alina kulya 3 meals a day, they must be 3. Bw'oggyako emu omudisorganizinga. Okay? So even when we are determining diets, we need to put into consideration what is your body type.
Okay.
Nemmere eno bw'oba ogya, for example, the ectomorphs. Ectomorph has to eat more nutrient-dense foods. Naye ate ye yeetaaga nti bw'aba alya asookayo vegetable n'ateekayo emmere n'azzaako vegetable. Okugaana ekyenda kino okutambuza emmere amangu, okumuwa chance to absorb.
Okay.
You're getting it?
Yes, I'm getting it.
As an endomorph, I think I did sometimes, maybe, depending on also ebirwadde ebirala by'olina. You may need a bit more protein than carbohydrates. The mesomorph, that one, it has to be a balanced plate, balanced colors, balance.
Yeah.
Ero yobo disorganizing a balance ya alwala.
Okay.
But also we also have people who are in between.
Yeah.
But I know the ectomorphs are bangu nnyo bakumanya, restless people, and then the endomorphs are we are also very easy to tell. But that does not mean we should be overweight or this. We just need the guidance on how to get rid of it. Okay.
Okay.
So that additional knowledge helps. So when being able to suppressing appetite, your body hoards. Okay.
That's why when the weight comes back, it doubles or triples.
We can give ourselves a challenge. I can show you. And as endomorphs, we benefit more from when we eat. Rather than what we eat.
Okay.
Timing for us is very
vital.
important.
Okay. I get your points.
In that chewalidde okirize omubiri gukikozese to completion plus n'ebyo bye gwaterese for NSSF. It's what helps you not to accumulate weight. Otherwise, never starving. Ate kasita starving when you are an endomorph. Emmere gy'onaalya nkubuulire. Yonna nebije because yours is an energy saving kind of body. I don't know whether it.
Yeah, I'm making sense. What and when. So ulcers, do you have anything to talk about ulcers? Because now ulcers fine, watching the genetics say, then all our gamanze, and that ulcers in Gatan Sokulia emmere bwebiti. Wala bagamba zezange nazifuna because ziri mu family zange nazifuna because oba nzifuna nga ndidde okulya nzifuna nga ndidde amatooke wala bagamba nzata amatooke tekna pulses bwenywa amata sibitegeera it's crazy
tulina bingi n'ebyokusoma
abala byo bingi I know this is like an introduction anyway guys. Yeah.
So what can I say about ulcers ng'ekiwundu kyonna an ulcer is a wound.
Yeah, I was told.
The only difference is kati ekiwundu it's in the stomach oba eno mu kyende ekisooka the duodenum. Bwe kibeera eno mu stomach tutera nnyo gamba peptic ulcers or stomach ulcers or gastric ulcers. Bwe zibeera eno mu kyenda kino ekisooka tugamba duodenal ulcers. But a wound is a wound.
Yeah.
Okay? So mu lubuto the stomach has a lining. Katonda yagitonda nga erina olususu lwayo munda. Okay? Protecting like for digestion. The stomach produces acid. By the acid which is produced by the stomach is a very strong acid. Asinga acid wa battery y'emmotoka concentration. Olwotaddeko olugalo lwo mu acid gunde tewazanya n'abaana balenzi bibuuze. It's a very strong acid, the acid we produce.
Wow.
But the stomach lining is created to protect itself from that acid.
From that acid.
But sometimes we get situations where that lining efuna obuginafuyiza. Ebimu ku binafuya is the infection je tuyita Helicobacter pylori. Uli magamba H pylori. Nze nakoseza pylori ki. Helicobacter pylori is a bacteria. Tutera nnyo gifuna mu buto. It's from contamination. Oba wali obaddeko n'omuntu aje, it's transmissible. Naye weegenda, its home is mu lususu olwo lwa the stomach. Kati where it turns its home, enafuya olususu olwo. Bw'otuuka okudigestinga, acid ate n'ayokya olususu n'afoominga we akawundu. Bw'afoominga akawundu ate Helicobacter ng'ajja atanya ekiwundu ekyo. That is one possible cause of that. And the most common. The other is sometimes something changes in the acid produced n'atusinza amaanyi. Okay? Or bingi oluusi tulina embeera gye tuyitamu akabubi k'olubuto okwo ne kanafuwa. Like in stress, the hormone cortisol enafuya akabubi ako. Acid wo wa bulijjo ono mukwano gwo adigesting emmere. Ku luno bw'ajja n'asanga akabubi kanafuna abomolawo ki. But message yange is tulekeraawo this one suit fits everybody. Nze nawulidde lino eddagala likola, nze nawulidde lino likola, gwe linaakukolera. Can we have assessments? You be well assessed. These social media doctors.
I know. I see them, man.
Tubakendeeze.
Mbalaba.
Something may work for you, but it may not work for me.
Yeah.
Okay?
Very true.
Kati wasanga ectomorph nga kugamba nze okusala weight. Sirya main meals. Ndya bunkwankyinkwankyi nga nawe endomorph ng'ojja gwe lyo obunkwankyinkwankyi ombuli. Within a week you will have gained. Why? Your kind of body is different from the other person.
Those are the people that keep complaining. How come I nadeja bugezi? Kumbe is not type of the body.
Kati ekizibu kyewuwo. Plumbing amazzi gakulukuta ge gakusumbuwa. Naye olw'okuba neighbor yayise ow'amasanyalaze n'amutereeza nga nawe ow'amasanyalaze jangu otereeze namu. Like that kind of thing is what we are doing, and it's not okay.
Okay.
And I'm here to see that we help ourselves to do away with that. Okay. So I sort of have the eagle's eye. Nze ne bakuwandiikira eddagala lya sukaali. My first question is namba emu ekirwadde sukaali okitegeera. I wanted to change behavior from a perspective of understanding rather than of fear. Okay. But I'm also concerned. Lyo onaamalako nalyo in terms of price. Kukyale waffe Masaka gyeriri. Adherence is key. Bangambe tolya mmere eno ne bweti. Tukwate eyo yennyini eri kukyala ewuwo gye nkupangira. Okay? Because I believe we must go for the root causes of these diseases.
Very true.
Yes.
Okay. Very, very insightful. Anything you wanted to tell us as we close up?
No, maybe just tell people that we have the center, Chira Kasangati Road. I'm actually just Chira roundabout. I'm housed within Romo Gardens. Okay. Yeah, it's Dr. A Center for Medical and Lifestyle Restoration. People should come for support. Okay. They should come for support if you're diabetic, hypertension, cholesterol, fatty livers, gout. Even an interesting one, sexual health in both men and women.
Yeah.
Adolescence, binge, okay? You come knowing that for us, my intention is to restore your health.
Oh, okay.
Reverse diseases, restore your health, and give you what I call a continuity plan, okay?
Okay.
So I think that is what I would.
And you don't have a WhatsApp number, or you give it out later?
No, I can give out the number. You can reach us.
That people are joining? That's the one?
Yeah, yes, there is a group. 0700 162 402. Okay. And you can call it or you can WhatsApp it. You will be supported.
Okay. Thank you so much, Doctor. So, like I said, guys, we're breaking it down in series. So tuli mukomyawo another time atunyonyole bwoba mulina ebibuuzo. You know how we do it sometimes. Bagama tuwendeta guest nga mulina ebibuuzo mulina concerns mu bitekangaawo. So whoever asks nga WhatsApp. You can even use the WhatsApp number. No more is a message. You understand? So tunuba tumukomyawo bwoba ina ekibuuzo kyona mu comment section. Guys, thank you so much. Until next time. Bye bye.
Have you ever realized that there is a breast without nipple? But without a nipple.